basically what I do is I kind of like different heights. I like to give it a little bit of variety and to make it a little bit more interesting looking. Everything is about interest and how it ties into nature. And I also like things that are at different heights. So I will start out with usually my largest pieces. And my largest piece in this particular, I've chosen 2 of these spiky succulents. And I use my screwdriver to put a hole into it. And then usually what I do is I dip my succulent into a glue. We have 2 different kinds of glue. We have a pan glue, which is very, very hot. And we have a white glue, which dries. It takes about 24 hours to dry. But what I'm doing is I'm not using the glue in this case, but I will show you that I take this and I stick it into the hole that I've made with the screwdriver. And then I'll take another hole and I'll put a hole over here on the other side. And I will put one of these at the other end as well too, to give it some balance. Now succulents grow in groups, so a lot of times I will put a lot of succulents together. Also, I like to change a little bit by color. So to give it some variety, I will stick in a couple different colors of succulents, some light and some dark. And they do grow in bunches, so I like to keep some of them together. What I do is a lot of the succulents come whole like this, and what I do is I actually cut them up and I separate them, and I can put them in different places. So you can either use the succulent as a whole, or you can cut them up and you can place them in different places, which kind of give the appearance of how they grow. And I can put them kind of wherever I want to put them. And I do them by showing a little bit, like I said, of different heights to give it a little bit of a natural look. And they don't always all grow on top of each other, so we spread them out a little bit. And you can kind of see there's a little bit of a natural flow on that side. Then what I will do is to give it some balance, I will take something that's a similar color, maybe a little different shape, and I will put it on the other side to give it some balance of color. Now some of these succulents come very long, and I cut them because this particular piece is going to be a lower piece for a dining room table. So here you have the darker succulent on one side, and you have this larger piece on the other side to give it some balance. All of our arrangements here at Aldik are basically all the way around, because as you, the customer comes in, we don't know always where you're going to put your piece. So we try to make it look so it looks good from all angles. And then what I do, I will continue and take some other pieces and make some holes and stick them in. Now remember, I usually dip these with glue, but in this case I'm not. I'm making a really deep puncture. And I'm adding them around the wood as if they were going to give it a little bit of mystery, as if they're coming from inside the wood. Now I like this piece as well too, so I'm going to put it as if it grew on the other side of the piece of wood. Like I said, succulents come in clusters. You want it to make natural.